Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here on New Year's Eve Day, Sunday, December 31st, 2017, to do my Crafty Goals review for 2017. I got some things accomplished and some things I didn't, but that's okay. They're just goals, and goals can be changed. But I think it's fun to make goals and see what you accomplish. So my goals were to crochet 2 Afghans, to crochet 3 stuffed animals, to cross stitch 23 projects, to scrapbook 1 page a month, do 3 DIY tutorials, and do 2 updates on my feral cats. Okay, and this is what I actually accomplished. I crocheted 1 Afghan, which is back here, the circle Afghan. I crocheted 2 stuffed animals. They were the octopus, and they were the patchwork cat. So the octopus and the patchwork cat were the 2 stuffed that I did. My cross stitch, I did 11, but I'm really happy with that because that's 11 patterns that are out of my stash and they are done, and so I am happy with that. The scrapbook, what ended up happening there was I joined a challenge from GWiz65, and she's going to do another one this year, which is keeping me motivated. I had done no scrapbooking up until September. The challenge, I decided to do her challenge, and I ended up doing 12 scrapbook pages, 3 a month. So I actually did more than what my goal was. So I'm really happy with that. I did no DIY tutorials, and I did 3 videos on the feral cat. I did a spring, summer, and fall. I'm still going to do a winter. And I've also done 2 videos on the sheep that are here on the farm. So that was my Crafty Goal review for 2017. Things did get accomplished. Now this is what I want to do for my Crafty Goals for 2018. I'm looking down because I have my notes right here. I'm going to crochet just 1 Afghan. I am going to try to crochet 2 stuffed animals. I'm going to cross stitch 11 projects or more. I am going to scrapbook whatever the new challenge will be. I will be doing that. So I'm not sure yet. I might do 1 or 2 tutorials. I'm going to do 3 updates on feral cats and 3 updates on the sheep. Yeah, and that's it. I just had a thought. Okay, I don't know, it just went. Yeah, so anyway, those are my goals for 2018. So pretty similar. Oh yeah, what I wanted to say was that these are the goals that I want to set for myself because these are things that I enjoy making. But I made Christmas ornaments, crochet Christmas ornaments, the tree, the wreath. I have made the headband gift set with the crochet headband and the coffee cozy mug thing and the mug rug. So, I mean, I have done other things besides, but yeah, these are just goals that I like to set for myself because the other things just come in whenever. And another thing that I want to try to do is make 1 or 2 pieces of wearable crochet. I have yet to do that, but I really want to try to make something. So we'll see if I can accomplish that. And just a heads up for those that do crochet, on my next crochet video, which will not, well, I'm just going to go ahead because it's a while away yet. But I'm going to do the crochet carousel package again. This is just a heads up. I'm not doing sign-ups or anything right now. But I'm not going to start that until March of 2018. So you have plenty of time to think on it and decide if you want to do it. The only thing that I'm really changing is the mail. I'm going to do a different thing with the mailing of it. But everything else is the same. And as that time gets closer, the end of February, I will, during my crochet video, I will announce sign-ups at that time. So I just wanted to give everybody a heads up on that. Okay, I think that is all for this time. I want to thank everybody so much for watching, for commenting, for liking, for sharing my videos. I do appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that have taken the time over this past year to watch my videos and to support my channel. It means a lot to me. And there will be much, much more in 2018. And so until next time, everybody have a great day.